Okay, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a label in Python Tinker. So making labels are very easy. It's similar to making a button or any other GI component like that. So first what we want to do is we want to name our label. So I'm just going to do label 1. You can name it whatever you want. Um, yeah. So you can name your label depending on what label type it's gonna be. So if you want it to be like maybe setting numbers, like if you want to show like a row of numbers in a label, then you can do like number label, alphabet label, like whatever purpose the label does, you can name it like according to that. So I have a label 1 because I don't have any purpose for it. And then I'll do label 1 equals and then capital L label. And this is already built into Python. So and then I want to do parentheses and then root. I want to assign it to the root. And I talked about this in the last video, I think. So you should know this if you watched the last video. If not, there will be a link in the description. So you want to do root and then comma text is equal to and then whatever text you want the root to be. So you don't have to assign any text to this. If you want to do more advanced stuff, so like buttons or stuff, you want to pair it up with a button or anything, that's like advanced stuff. But for now, I'm just gonna put a text. So I'm just gonna do this is a good tutorial. So yeah, and then you might think that this is it, right? Oh, I have a lot of this, I don't know why, but you might think that's it. It's done, you know? But that's not the case. It runs fine, but um, it doesn't work like that because all GUI components have to be placed. They can't just be made. They also have to be placed. So it's similar to buttons. I showed you how to make a button, and you would have to place that. So I would do same way you place anything. Where you place a button, you do label 1, which is the name of the label that you gave. Dot place, and then the parentheses rel x is equal to whatever coordinate. So I'm just gonna put this label in the center. So I'm gonna do rel x 0.5, rel y is equal to 0.5, and then always remember this anchor is equal to center. So this will center it out, and then center is all capital. So once you do this, it should be in the middle. So this is how you do a label. So mind you, you would have if you do like root dot configure and then background is equal to like say royal blue. And I run this, you can see that the label's background, because the label also has a background, it is white because we haven't given it any color. So that will be for the next video. I'll show you how to style a label. It's not really that hard, but yeah. And that is the end of this tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe and yeah, like and share this video to others.